Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platform in terms of transaction volume. This also makes it the world's most liquid cryptocurrency exchange platform, which is a very important consideration if you want to be a cryptocurrency trader or you want to invest significant amounts of money into cryptocurrencies. As such, every cryptocurrency project wants to be listed in Binance because Binance has by far the biggest customer base in terms of cryptocurrency buyers and sellers. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your own free Binance account so you can start buying, selling, or trading cryptocurrencies in the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange. I've included the link to the correct registration page in the description below. So go ahead and click on that link so you can follow along while I take you through the registration process. You are watching the Financial Metaverse. There is renewed interest and excitement about cryptocurrencies. We are beginning to see crypto prices begin to surge, largely driven by institutional investors like the likes of MicroStrategy and MacroStrategy, which is a subsidiary of MicroStrategy, which has been buying significant amount of Bitcoin over the past couple of weeks. Also, news came out that Russia is considering accepting Bitcoin as means for payment for its oil and gas exports. If you use the link that I supplied in the description below, you should be on this page over here. So you can opt to sign up with your phone or email. So we'll click sign up. Alright, so it'll ask you for your location, which we can confirm. I'm currently in South Africa. And then you will enter your email and password details over here. I can enter my email. And a password, and it guides you there that the password needs to be a minimum of 8 characters, at least one number and at least one uppercase. Okay, I don't have to check that if I don't want to receive any emails from Binance. I've read and agreed to the terms and condition, and then I create account. I can also use my phone number, guys, to do it, so I'm going to use my email for now. Okay, let's create the account. Then I'm going to need to type in the verification code, which will be emailed to the email address that I have supplied. Okay, since I already have an account, I won't be able to do this, but once you've typed in your verification code, it will take you to the Binance sign-in section, which would be a page like this over here. So before you are able to trade or deposit cryptocurrency, guys, you will need to go through a verification process where it will ask you to upload your ID or some form of ID, whether it's a driver's license ID or passport. So the verification process will be explained to you, and once that has been verified, which is actually quite quick, it can take anywhere from an hour to a couple of hours, depending on the time in which you upload the details. So once that's done, you'll be able to come to this page and then log in with the details that you used when you were creating the account. Okay, then I can log in, and this is another security check. So Binance is very tight on the security, guys, obviously to protect the integrity of your account. And there is a two-factor authentication, which means before I log in, I need to receive a verification code from my phone and also from my email. So let me do that real quick. Okay, and then it will want the email verification code as well. That is sent via email. Let me get that real quickly as well. And then I should be able to sign in once I have punched in those codes. Okay, I submit. And voila! I'm in, I'm logged in, guys. So this is where I'm at Once you've signed in and logged in, you'll be at the page over here. Then you'll be able to view your wallet. Okay, the wallet section, this is where it'll show you the balance that you have in your crypto account. And you can see there, that's the current balance that I have. And then when you want to deposit cryptocurrency, you just click on deposit. And if you have crypto stored in another exchange or in a wallet, then you can move that crypto into Binance by clicking crypto deposit, and then you tap, select the crypto that you want to deposit. So if it's Bitcoin, you click on that, and that's the address that will copy to that exchange or that wallet, so that the crypto will be moved to the Binance account. If we want to deposit fiat, so the easiest way, actually, the tab on buy crypto over here, we can use that, and then you can search for South African Rand if I'm in South Africa. And so there's only two options that I can use when I'm paying with South African Rand. Let's say I want to spend 1,000 Rand, so I'll type in there the amount, and then I will receive BTC. Choose the payment channel. I can use this platform here, which is called Simplex, and deposit the account, total including fee, and this is the amount of Bitcoin that I will get if I use the platform. I will click I've read and agreed to use the terms and click continue. Okay, then I will use my card, whether it's debit or credit card details, and click that I've read. I can choose to save the card if I want to, and not you want to, I can uncheck that if I want to, or I don't want to receive occasional mails. And I'll obviously type in my details over here and next. So I'm not wanting to buy that at the moment, but that is the process that you will follow. Okay, so just to recap on that, you'll simply go to buy crypto, and then you select the third-party payment, and then you just follow the directions from there, and you pay with your Visa, card. Okay. The most common way in which I personally use to move cryptocurrency into Binance is buying it at a local South African exchange, and then simply moving the crypto assets into Binance. I've found that that's the easiest way for me, but you can use this method if you don't own any crypto in any other exchange. You can just simply move it to you can just simply buy it through this platform. Hopefully that process was simple and straightforward for you. Now you are ready to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency in the world's biggest cryptocurrency platform. To receive more videos like this one, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And also remember to please like and share this video, because that helps me to reach more people. If you have any questions or comments regarding the content I've shared in this video, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to answer within 24 hours. And look out for these videos.